Hello, welcome to question number 36, BECE 2025. Anoa scored an average of 53 in science and mathematics. If she scored 50 and 60 in English language and social studies respectively, find her mean score in all the four subjects. So there are four subjects. We can see the average of the science and maths is 53. So that can be that we can say science score plus the mathematics score. If you divide it into two, you'll be getting what? 53. The average. The two of them, they are score, the average score, the sum of them divided by 2, it gave me 53. But here, we need to know the sum of all of them, all the four subjects. Already we know 2 of this. We need extra 2. It means that the sum of the science plus the mathematics will be equals to multiplying both sides by 2 will mean this is going to be 2 times what? 53. And I'm sure 100 plus 6, so 106. Then we are going to add that of what? English plus what? Social. English is 50, social is what? 60. That gives us what? 110. So total score, we can just say total score is going to be 106, 110, so 216 total score. Then the mean score is going to be total score divided by the 4 subjects. We are adding the average, so 4 subjects. I think if you take one by one, 200. 4 into 200, 50. Then 4 into 16, 4. So 50 plus 4 will give us what? 54. And let's check which of the option are we going for. I think that will be the option what? D. I guess you get it. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for more.